Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you how I installed this wig. This wig is from AliExpress. I will have the link in the description box down below. If you don't mind liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel so you can get more subscriptions of these hair videos. I'm sure you would love that. Also, before I stop talking and running my mouth, this video is just intended for you to watch. I will not be talking a lot. I like those videos where I don't talk a lot or you don't talk a lot. So just sit back and relax and just enjoy me do my hair. Okay? Alrighty. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Peace out. See you later.